This is Bill North of the Florida Weekend Warriors. In this week's video, we're going to change out the faucet in the bathroom sink. Got this one at Home Depot. It's got an LED light that will come on, and it's just powered by the water source. I'm hoping it's an easy install. We'll check it out. Here's the existing faucet. It's cheap plastic and it makes this annoying noise. So whenever someone's getting up in the bathroom in the middle of the night, well, I usually use the cold water. That's the one that makes all the noise. There's just not very much room to brush your teeth or do anything constructive with the sink. So this should be a lot better faucet. Let's see how hard it is to install. Here's the model number. That I just picked this thing up at Home Depot. It wasn't that expensive. It was only like 40 or 50 bucks. So let's give it a shot. Here's under the sink. It doesn't look like it's gonna be that hard. It's just a matter of getting up there and unscrewing these things. And let's see how hard it is to do. This is the backflow for the black water flush, and these two over here are the hot and cold water lines. Got a couple of old lazy buns that I had laying around the garage to help me lay in there, because that lip's gonna be right in the middle of my back when I crawl in there. Hoping this will help. Don't know what kind of tools I need. Got a bunch of miscellaneous size channel locks. Let's see how we can do this. Actually doesn't look that bad at all. This is actually gonna be pretty simple. Just gotta unscrew these water lines and then unscrew this thing at the top that holds the sink on, the faucet on. Here it goes. Water. Simple. These are simple. There's that one. This one. Oh, there's hand tight. Just pulls off like that. Hoping the new one lines up. Let's go see what's in the box. Looks like it'll line up. Looks like it should fit. There we go. Perfect fit. We're gonna have to get some plumber's putty. They didn't use any kind of a sealant at all here. I'm sure there was water dripping down through there. So let me go in the garage and get some putty. Believe it or not, it says do not use on plastic. So I guess that's why I didn't have any plumber's putty there to begin with. I guess I'll just clean this area up with some Flitz polish and use the rubber seal that comes with it. But it's just kind of hard plastic. Doesn't look like it'll seal very well, but we'll give it a shot. Flitz polish did a great job cleaning up this plastic stuff. I knew this polish you can use it on plexiglass, so I knew it'd be safe to use on plastic. So cleaned up really good. Looks brand new, actually. So we'll get this thing installed. Sits in the hole just like this. And then we're going to go down underneath it and make sure it lines up on that plastic. Alright, screw these on the bottom to hold it in place. gonna get it in tight as much as I can. There it goes. There's this side, and there's this side. That's all there is to it. Let's go see if it doesn't leak. Looks really nice. Especially compared to this old crappy plastic one. Let's dry it out. Pretty cool. Comes on in the night. Got it all installed and just realized I got the hot and the cold backwards. And this hole's supposed to be on the back side, but I'm not taking this all apart. I just changed the little symbols. These pop off and swapped out the C and the H. So as far as I'm done, it doesn't leak and I'm done. You like it?
I love it.
Turn on.
Oh wow, that is really cool. Very nice.
You like it?
I do. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So much easier to brush your teeth and everything. Oh, I love it.
She doesn't know I put it in backwards. We hope you liked this video. Please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in our next adventure. See ya!